Good evening, and welcome to Unpacking the Headlines. Tonight, we bring you a tragic and alarming news from Uttar Pradesh Hathras. A major stampede occurred during a religious event in Hathras, leading to the deaths of more than 107 people and leaving many others injured. The stampede took place during a satsang gathering, which had drawn a large crowd. Reports indicate that the chaos began when the crowd became unmanageable, leading to panic and a subsequent stampede. Eyewitnesses describe a harrowing scene, with people getting trampled in the rush to escape. Emergency services rushed to the site to provide aid and transport the injured to nearby hospitals. The incident has raised serious questions about crowd control and safety measures at large public gatherings. In the aftermath of the tragedy, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has expressed his condolences to the families of the victims and announced compensation for the deceased and injured. He has also ordered a thorough investigation to understand the cause of the stampede and to ensure such incidents do not happen in the future. Further details reveal that the event was organized by a local religious group known for hosting large gatherings. The organizers had not anticipated such a massive turnout, leading to inadequate arrangements for crowd control. This lapse in planning contributed significantly to the tragedy. Local authorities and police have been criticized for their delayed response and lack of preparedness. Witnesses claim that the venue was overcrowded well beyond its capacity, with no clear exits or emergency protocols in place. This resulted in panic as the crowd surged, leading to the deadly stampede. One of the survivors, a woman named Shanti Devi, recounted her terrifying experience. She said, "People were pushing and shoving from all sides. I fell to the ground and couldn't get up. I saw people getting trampled. It was a nightmare." The state government has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased and 50,000 rupees for the injured. However, many feel that this is insufficient given the scale of the tragedy. Social media is abuzz with calls for stricter regulations and better safety measures at public events. The Chief Minister has assured that strict action will be taken against those responsible for the negligence. He emphasized the need for proper planning and coordination between event organizers and local authorities to prevent such disasters in the future. This heartbreaking event highlights the urgent need for improved safety protocols at religious and public events to prevent such devastating outcomes. It also raises important questions about accountability and the responsibilities of those organizing and overseeing large gatherings. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest news.